everyone! I am Sir Joanny, and I created this video to share the final template of individual performance monitoring tool that I modified. To download the files, the links are on the description. You can also change the name and use or insert your school's logo. So let's get started. Para saan nga po ba ang IPMT? Ito nga po yung ginagamit ko for easy tracking of students' performance during the modular distance learning. Instead na lagi tayo nag-open ng e-class record, dito, manually nating isusulat ang scores ng bawat learner for each activity at makikita po natin dito kung anong activity ang kailangang bigyan ng intervention to improve the learning and performance of the child. My dear teachers, pwede po natin itong gamitin to any grade level. So in my case, senior high school po ang mga students ko. Of course, share ko lang po. So with this template, I also included the 2nd to 4th quarter record para isang print na lang po tayo up until the end of the school year. So as you can see, nandito na po lahat ng mga possible activities na ire-record natin sa bata. Ngayon po, tuturuan ko po kayo how to mail merge data sa file na ito to help us lessen the work in encoding the details, lalo na ang full name at grade and section and also the subject that they are taking with us. Uunahin ko na pong ipakita sa inyo ang ginawa kong data file ng mga students ko. And I included na rin po ang grade and section and subject nila to the following column. Dito po kasi madidetect ng MS Word ang mga data na ilalagay natin at sana rin po ang gagawa ng trabaho instantly before printing. Note lang po pala, make sure that the data file is closed para po ma-access natin yung mga files na gagamitin natin sa IPMT. So here are the following steps to execute this magic in just few clicks. Teachers, make sure that the cursor is clicked next to the name, grade and section, or subject para mailagay o mag-reflect yung data na kailangan natin. And then, punta lang tayo sa mailings, click lang natin yung Start Mail Merge, and then Normal Word Document. Apparently, we can click the Select Recipients. So, i-click po natin yung Use Existing List dito at dito natin hahanapin yung file na gagamitin o pagkukuhanan natin ng data of our students. And then, click lang po natin yung Edit Recipient Lists and then ito po yung lalabas. Kailangan po nakacheck po lahat ng mga recipient natin o yung mga pangalan or data ng ating mga estudyante. And then, proceed po tayo. We can now click Insert Merge Field. I-click lang po natin yung full name and then ito po yung lalabas. Next po natin is grade and section. Just do the same process po as with subject. Hanapin lang po natin yung grade and section at the bottom and ganun din po yung subject. At ganyan po yung magiging itsura niya. But don't worry po, kung medyo magulo man po yung headings ng aking presentation, pag ipiprint ko po yan, okay lang po yan. And then i-click po natin yung preview results to make sure na talagang lahat ng data ay magre-reflect before printing. Yan, pwede po natin i-check kung lahat nga po ay nandyan. So, kung talagang convinced na po kayo at lahat ng data ay nandyan na, pwede na po tayong mag-proceed sa print. Voila! Ganun lang po kasimple, di ba teachers? Di na tayo napagod nag-type, nakasave pa tayo ng maraming time. Hanggang sa muli!